Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, I'm going to show you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk to both major talking points and features of the exterior and interior, and I'll make my way around. I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle and show you a bit more in depth of the interior. So the vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And alongside we've also fitted the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2017 67 reg, and it also benefits from the very nice facelift that the 4 Series has had. So you'll see the darkened facelifted front lights, and very shortly you'll see the facelifted rear lights and a few interior tweaks which I will of course point out very shortly. So this particular 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE does benefit also from being no Ulez charge and no LES charge. So there's no penalty for driving into big cities that are affected by those charges. And of course, I do know from the governing bodies do plan to extend those to other towns and cities very shortly, which is a very important question when buying any new vehicle to yourself at this current time. However, back onto the vehicle itself, you'll see the gloss black air breathers. We've also got the privacy glass option on this vehicle. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll see the gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance stickers. The interior on the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the electric lumbar option and the heated seat option as well. Moving on to the rear seats now, where in the GRAN COUPE you do have the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining as well, which matches in to this vehicle very nicely to not only make it a very stylish vehicle, it is of course a very practical one as well for lots of reasons, which I will try and explain as we make our way around. At the rear of the car we've got both the high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate, you'll see another practical feature on this vehicle is the very large boot space, which again can be made even larger thanks to the fact we have got the split folding seat option, along with the very nicely presented genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle as well. Closing that down, I'll head round to the other side of the vehicle, just again to demonstrate how nicely presented this vehicle is, and of course how well it does of course sit on the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels. Before I head on inside the car, so of course go over a few of the interior details in a bit more depth. So now I'm sat inside the vehicle, we can of course go over a few of these features and functions now. And first of all, I'll start the vehicle up. First thing you're met with is this very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. And as you can see there, I've just got the onboard computer display up. And I did reset this just to do a little test run before bringing in the vehicle, again just to demonstrate the practicality of switching to a petrol from a diesel, because of course we are all being encouraged to do so more and more. Again, more so down to that Ulez and LES charge again. So if it is of course applicable to yourself, you may be thinking I should probably get out of my diesel now would be a great time to do so. I have just done a very short journey, and as you can see there, I achieved the miles per gallon of 27.5. BMW claim anywhere from sort of 30 around town, which is where we sort of are, to up to sort of 35 to 40 miles per gallon on a good long journey. However, I do know from my own personal experiences of driving a relatively similar car to this one on a bit of a longer journey, you can get about 43 to 44 miles per gallon, which is fairly similar to your equivalent diesel sized vehicle with the same onboard size as this one. Back to the vehicle itself, it has covered just over 25,000 miles. Does come with the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which will again help that economy and of course the fun driving style of this vehicle. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls all over here. Back to the navigation system there, as you can see on the screen, it's a very user-friendly system. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, USB, music collection, CD, DVD of course, along with Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. At the home screen you'll see that again, thanks to that facelift, we've got this lovely segregated menu system, which makes things even more user friendly. It is also equipped with the online search function thanks to the Connected Drive Plus, and that is all powered by Google, utilising the vehicle's own onboard 4G network, so it doesn't use any of your own data. And as you can see again, it does make using things nice and easy, as you can click through things without no fuss. Down here we've got the dual climate control, and we've also got your switches for the heated seats, along with a very nice clean and tidy dashboard with that very nice brushed aluminium and high gloss black dashboard trim. Okay, so as always, I do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. You'll also find in the description all of the relevant contact information, and of course links to our website to view this vehicle in a bit more detail, and of course find out about prices and finance options. Thank you very much. Do take care. Goodbye.